History of the English language and literature। इसमें यूनिट 8 में पढ़ेंगे मॉडल एंड प्रेजेंट डे इंग्लिश। इसका इसमें 8.2 पढ़ेंगे मॉडल एंड प्रेजेंट डे इंग्लिश। The English language has gone under a sea change during the Middle English period, which we have seen throughout the political discussion and provision in this 40th and 50th century. Much of what we say using the term modern in connection with the English language has already started, both in style and temper. We have witnessed and discussed with ample example. Let us discuss in detail with sufficient pieces of evidence of how the Renaissance, Reformation, Industrial Revolution, trade, commerce, and other activity with literature assisted in making English not only modern but language friends of the words in our times. The term modern English has many implications in the history of English language and literature, but the term broadly refers to the development stage which began in the history of the English language in the late 40 and early 50th century, and it continues changing in terms of vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and many more things across the global till that this period marks the widening boundaries of English-speaking population across the world as a result of new political, economic, industrial, trade, and commerce order in this period. Difference of modern and present day English of following, and some of the definition of the term modern English and present day English. The term modern English is the form of the English language spoken since the Great Whale shift in English completed around in 50 with some difference in vocabulary text from the early 17th century, such as the word of William Speakers and King James Bible, and considered in modern English, or more specifically are referred to as using early modern English or Elizabethan English Victionary at definition net modern English or sometimes New English opposite to Middle English and Old English is the form of the English language spoken since the great waves shift in English which began in the late 14th century and was completed throughout in 55 colonial English dis- dictionary difference. Modern English is British English as the English language since about 45 and 50 years. Any of the standards forms developed from the East Middle dialects of Middle English. Middle English. Richard Norquist, scholars of returns and English stress the present day English reference to many of the varieties of the English language that is used by speakers who are alive today, also called as letters or contemporary modern English, but not all linguistics define the term in this was Milware and Hayes. For examples, describe present day English has the period since Derek Smith. On the other hand, Esther's present-day English refers to the period from 1961, the years in which texts that make up the brown and blue corpus were published. Mark Abel described contemporary English as the mark of language conversation, hence hard to avoid superficially friendly and devouring all revolve in its in against the two expand spoken here throughout the early modern English period 50s, 80, 50 and 80. The modern English period broadly encompasses their discussed from 50 to 1800. This period in the history and development of the English language witnessed many historical, socio-cultural cultural and political events which were reflected in the writing of literature of this period. The language that represented this period has undergoing many changes since then. These changes in the language during this period could be easily seen in the literature produced during this time. Every century for that matters represents some process of transformation in the language and throughout language in the literature of the period. The most important events of the late 15th century was the Renaissance and the contribution of Geoffrey Chaucer and Mallory. Their use of English provide us the booster in the growth and development of the English language. George Triol give a identity to the English language by using this medium for his scholarly observation around him throughout his works of it, but unfortunately, the intellectuals of the 15th century recorded the brilliance after the death of George. We achieved the titles of Father of English Poetry. The decline was seen is the hands of characters and Scottish poets like led great the freshness of expressions originally in tone and tone selection of characters correcting their portraits using fantastic words that Charles used to deliver were missing in those followers of him. With these factors, there was many other factors as well responsible for the the brilliance of literally produce, produce, producing tone during this as we shall see how those events and factors contributed positively as well as negatively in the journey of the English language during this time. The War of Roses. The War of Roses 1455 to 1485. New war can bring a positive change in the living of people, whether you win or lose it basis this directs loss in the case of people's invalid such activity have long lasting effect on the life of people. The war of rose to had a negative effect on the art and literature of the 15th century. It distorted the social orders of the can and uh, of the year, and the families was patronage of the art where basic basic and because of the social and political unrest during this completed period, the growth and development of art and literature was affected during this social and political unrest and lawlessness. The only positive things that happened was the invent, invention of the printing press by William Caston, which brought a revolution in the words of knowledge, getting recorded and spreading throughout the publishing of books. Because of this turmoil, the journey of the English language and literature got hampered in absence of peace of mind and stability of throughout it, perhaps resulted in absence of creative geniuses of for a longer times in the English speaking populace. The definition of poetic understanding was one where reason behind the artistic artistic brainest. The followers of church were looking the craft of poetry which Crook had, and therefore it resulted in the dryness of the form when they wrote on the 15th century has had very little to inspire the succeeding errors in the names of literature, and no poet after Charles Cole fill the gap character after his death. The Elizabeth period, 1558, 1625. Elizabeth is generally regarded as the greatest in the history of English literature. Historical, we note in this is the term the impact derived from the Renaissance, reforms, and from exploration of the New World. During this period, throughout the language of the church was still Latin, but the translation of the Bible in English had already been there. So the everyday language used for communication during this period was not much difference than what we understand and comprehend within the name modern English of courses. The grammar might appear a bit different compared to the grammar that is used in present day English. The vocabulary also change due to the addition of words from other language to the English election based on the economic and social structure, region and professional. There was a change in the variety and manner of spoken English in England during the 16th century. The Celtic survival in the northern part of Scotland, Ireland and Wales also affected the language spoken during this period in different parts of the country. The Elizabethan English we speak in our this in the is the English used by the poet playing and other collective written and we meet throughout their writing and throughout directions performance, but it was not the everyday language of the people during the period as per the opinion of the scholars. Even in one play we have different spoken dialects of English by different characters in spent play. Their evidence support the opinions of scholars about Elizabethan English in everyday use and for creative purpose. Often such creative writers keep inventing new structure using archaic work text written during this period often give reference from Greek and Roman history and mythology. Such texts by Joy Milton and by other contemporary written were comparatively complicated for an ordinary reader is a known fact now. Throughout this is one of the facts about the English language during the 16th century. This some period is famous for its brilliant use of language in a style that set an impre- imprint of its own. The university with Adams, Spinner, Ben Jonson, William Shakespeare, John Milton, and a host of other people, poets and writers have also so their master and skill in using English creatively. Their command over language use of technical and styles established uh, uh, artful excellent throughout their works that is admired and appreciated behind bounds is another important fact. I will talk in terms of change structure we see in the use of language during this period. Very forms world have Indians determined by its subject like thought, the dust instance of you do. The pronouns in use vary there and how instance of you and his and the instance of you or yours the every son in practice during this period where a it's different that what we have new its instance of it and locked instance of locked. For example, the characters world also asks a question without the auxiliary where to do like what say you or goes balance with you as Shakespeare called for example also corrects verbal out of noun. He words me is instance of he speakers to me and people world understand throughout it had never been used before. Blank very becomes the people from style of language used in writing for but poetry and drama during this period all play of Shakespeare are written using this metrical style. The blank various does not have any rhythm schemes, but it has a rhythmic patterns or matters of it. It's one.